So Jamaica has recorded 61 murders in the first 13 days of January. And this article states, the country's murder rate continues to spiral as police figures show 61 murders have been committed since the start of the year. The police statistics show that up to January 13th, there were 61 murders, 34 shootings, and 34 robberies. This is compared with 47 murders, 40 shootings, and 36 robberies over the same period last year. So last year we had 47 murders, 40 shootings, and 36 robberies. This year we have 61 murders. Let that sink into your minds. 61 murders, 34 robberies, and 34 shootings. Jamaica closed 2017 with 1,616 murders, one of the highest homicide figures on record. St. James in the western section of the island led the statistics with 335 murders, followed by Clarendon with 168. So, not to mention Westmoreland had a quadruple murder recently. So I honestly don't know what to say, and I don't want to be the bearer of bad news or the one that always comments or posts negative stuff about Jamaica. But honestly, I don't feel like anything is being done or they have any legit plans to change the course of crime in Jamaica. And recently I saw this picture on Facebook of this man that they said allegedly stole something, and they stoned him to death. And I feel like this is where Jamaica is going to have to go back to, because when you work hard for your things, you work hard, blood, sweat, tears, and people come into your communities and steal what's rightfully yours. I feel like it's time now that our people stop sitting around and waiting for justice. It's full time now that our people stop talking about God soon. God alone can't help. And God alone can this, that. No, it's not God alone. You guys need to stand up and do something for yourself. The police are not doing nothing. They claim they're all sick because they're not getting paid enough money. So they're not protecting and serving. They're not protecting our communities. They're not protecting our kids. They want more money from the government. So, in order for Jamaica to get better, our people need to stop sitting around and being lackadaisical and actually start doing something about it. When they know them people are thief, beat them and call police, or do something. March, protest, do something that is going to be beneficial to our people. They just sit down by your butt and talk about God Almighty, Jamaica they get worse, and then you don't do nothing behind it. Because quite honestly, I'm tired of hearing people talking about how bad Jamaica is and how bad it's doing, but them are the same one you see dress up in a them green and orange as soon as election time come, and them love Mr. Wholeness, and them love this person, and them love that the person, but they're not holding them accountable for the job that they were hired for. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this. The same period last year we had about, let me get the exact figure for you guys, we had 47 murders. This year we have 61 murders in 13 days. Comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about that. Tell me what you guys think needs to be done. Tell me what you think we can do. So comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. Deuces.